Hi, I'm gonna cook Phat Kaphrao Kung. Phat Kaphrao Kung is holy basil stir fry with shrimp. But anyway, you can use shrimp, pork, chicken, beef, any meat you want to use. But today I prefer shrimp. Okay, but I have the big technique how to prepare the shrimp. I've got shrimp like this. Is not crispy enough if you put the shrimp from the fridge and put in a wok. So we have to soak it in cold water, but this one with ice. For 3 shrimp because this shrimp is quite big. Okay, too much ice. Okay, ice like this, and then add salt. That's very important to make the shrimp more crispy. Salt, something like this. I'll leave for 50 minutes. Soak a shrimp in the ice water and salt. Kaphrao is holy basil or hot basil. We're gonna pick from our kitchen garden. Here, come here. This is kaphrao or holy basil. Smell quite peppery, but tastes nothing. But it will bring out more flavor when we touch the heat. Okay, we're gonna cut. We don't pick like this. No, we don't pick like. We have to cut. You see, this is a heaven. If you want to eat something, you can find it in your garden. Okay, this. And then we'll pick the egg. Okay. Pick some egg. Egg for my, oh, we have more egg. Okay, we keep more. We keep more. Hello, Chicky. I don't want to eat you. Just thank you for your egg. Bye-bye. Then we have to clean the egg. But you know, egg, after you pick from the cage, should not wash with water. Should not wash with water or should not soak in the water. Just leave it. Or maybe you can use just the cotton and wrap it like this. Unless the bacteria is go inside. Okay. But this one we have to wash because we suddenly cook. And the basil. Go. All the ingredients to make Phat Kaphrao. First, kaphrao that we just pick and soak in the water. Garlic, okay. Garlic, chili. Today we're gonna use 2 kinds of chili, the fresh chili and the dry chili. Why? Fresh chili is for spicy, but the dry chili is to make more aromatic. Egg. Actually, egg is like an optional, but Thai people love to eat Phat Kaphrao with egg because Phat Kaphrao is quite spicy, but egg and rice is reduce something spicy. But anyway, egg is optional. Shrimp is being soaked in the salty water. And rice. Oil for the seasoning. Oil, vegetable oil. Fish sauce, the most important, but for vegetarian, you can use your sauce. And oyster sauce. But oyster sauce I'm a gluten-free. I use for the gluten-free oyster sauce. Okay, come on, to see. Garlic. If you cook for yourself, 1 or 2 pieces. Take off the skin and cut this. And then garlic, chili. How many chili you want? What you like? I take. I'm Thai. Take 5 chili, 5 fresh chili. 5 fresh. Take off the stem first and chop together with garlic like this. Home cooking. Home cooking, but Michelin star maybe. If you like spicy, maybe you can chop more fine, but for me just like this because we can see the texture of the chilies. And take off the stem, the dry chili, 1 or 2 what you like, but I like 2 because crispy dry chili is like a paprika. Okay, we prepare the flavor and then drain the trim. We have to drain the trim like this. You can put in the strainer or what you like, but I just leave like this. And grapao, take all the leaf and leave in here in the water. I show you the magic. This is Thailand home style. But for the people who cook with me, they cook like this. I don't want to performance for real Thai food or something like that. But this is a real thing. This. Amount of the hot basil or holy basil, just whatever you like. Mostly for handful, like this, handful. And Thai cooking or Asian cooking is difficult to say how much, how many spoon for the quantity because everything depends on the emotional. Okay, it's just like this, and then we need to prepare the egg first. Turn on the gas. Turn on the gas. Heat the wok. Heat the wok. All stir fry, I always say heat the wok before the oil. Why? Because we don't want the ingredients stick on the wok. That's why. Heat the oil first and then use any vegetable oil. Okay. This. And then about 2 tablespoons, something like this. 1, 2, just like this. Okay. Heat the oil for a while. Season the wok. Okay, you see the smoke. And then egg first. Fry egg in Thai style. We don't use butter, but In Thai culture, Thai cuisine, we never use butter for our kitchen. Oil, just only oil, vegetable oil, or large oil. And then okay. Oops. Taste. Like this. And then low heat. Add all the flavor. Garlic, chili. Together. Wow, this smells so good. And then add the shrimp. Do it until the shrimp is turned to pink color. When it's almost cooked, then we add the seasoning. Fish sauce, we don't do like this. It's not professional. We do like this. 1, 2, around the wok. We get the aroma from the fish sauce. And then oyster sauce. Again, I use a gluten-free oyster sauce. 1, 2, 3. See, it is quite thick. After that, high heat like this. And then you see the sauce like this, and we make a flame because we want a smoky flavor. Wok hơi. That's it. Turn off the gas. ใกล้ๆเลยค่ะ And then time to eat. Well done. ผัดกระเพรากุ้ง กุ้ง with shrimp and fried egg and rice and rice like this. And we always eat with น้ำปลาพริก Who want to know น้ำปลาพริก Who want to know how to make น้ำปลาพริก Please see on this one, on this clip. Thai people always. We don't eat the fish sauce. We eat ingredients that's soaking in the fish sauce. Gorgeous. Thai home cooking. Thai kitchen in Thailand, but you can cook Thai food in your kitchen. I'm sure it's not so difficult. If you have any question, contact me here. Bye bye.